In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your text and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to get rid of it, tap on the pen, select your sentence and hit the delete button. Now to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!